Oh my god, it's so nice out here, man. But anyway, good morning, man. All the way from San Diego. What you eating? What's on your face? Awa. Let me see. But anyway, man, listen. We don't know what we're doing today, but we're supposed to be going to this real famous donut spot out here, but we're gonna check that out. We'll probably take this little guy here to SeaWorld. SeaWorld. You excited? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all see the whip though. Y'all see the rental car, man. Nothing crazy. Good on, super crazy on gas. And by the way, if y'all haven't checked out that video from yesterday, please go check it out. Come on, Papa, let's go. We're gonna go to the store, get some breakfast real quick. We gotta get Mommy a coffee. And we're gonna see y'all later, man. We're gonna see y'all in a minute. One other thing I wanted to say, man, just shout out to San Diego, man. People out here are so nice. Like, everybody just in a good mood. It's a good vibe out here. I love it. We went out last night to Little Italy, and everybody was just, oh, I like your shirt, I like your shirt, I like that, I like this. Like, man, I don't get no kind, we don't get, me, my girl, my son, we don't get love like that out in New York. Like, everybody always trying to be the best out in New York, man. They don't show you love. They always want to be the best. So even like my son's shirt was nice, like, you know, he handsome, he cute, whatever. They was just showing a lot of love, man. They wasn't showing no type of love. They will never get no type of love in our own, and from our own home, man. So that just goes to show you, man, you got to get out of New York. Like, I wish we could move out here because it's just nice, man. Everybody, it's just a nice atmosphere, man. Good mood, good attitude, positive energy. That's what I like, man. So anyway, we're gonna jump into this car real quick. Come on, get in that seat. Come on, get in. You don't want to go bye-bye? No. Come on, boy. So we just came to the donut bar, man. We got lucky. We got the last box of donuts right before they close. Like, I guess they open at 7 or 8, and then they just close whenever they sold out of donuts. So we got like the last box of donuts. He's still sleeping. Oh my god. So this is the what was the names of, you know, remember the names of any of these donuts?
No, we have to check online.
Oh man, so we could.
It looks like the make.
Yo, I don't know what these is, but we got lucky. We got the last, what was it, like the last 3 boxes of donuts? Real quick. So this is the list of donuts they got right here. And like they open at 7, and then once they sell out of donuts, that's it. So make sure y'all check them out. It's the #1 restaurant on TripAdvisor. So they got the best donuts in California so far. So, all right, we're gonna see y'all when we get to the next spot, man. You getting in too? It's cold. Oh nah, it's warm. Look at him, finally happy. That's all they got. I thought they had like, dang, that's it. I don't think he gonna do it. He ran back. Go ahead, get wet, Papa. Look, he's coming back. He's coming back right there.
Right. We don't want to have anybody have to go to the nurse, so that's why we're encouraging.
You can touch him. He's probably scared. Yeah. You can touch him. Go touch him. Look. You can touch him.
Remember, friends in the red shirts, you want to use 2 fingers.
Okay. Yeah. Probably gotta go underneath. Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to swallow it straight down. That's crazy.
The pie is under cooperation. 7 is shut.
Javon, you excited? Javon, you excited?
Alright, Mod, stick close
Come
to me, hold on each and every single
He ain't
move.
looking.
Hi everyone, I'm Sea Lion Trainer Erin, and this is Jay. Jay is an 8-year-old male California sea lion. He weighs an impressive 330 pounds. Now, California sea lions, just like Jay, are a common sight all along our west coast. But unfortunately, sometimes they get in a little trouble, and we often find them sick, injured, and even starving on our local beaches. They're the #1 animal rescued by our SeaWorld rescue team, always with the main goal of rehabilitation and returning them to the ocean. This year, SeaWorld San Diego is celebrating its 55th anniversary. And in that time, we have come to the aid of over 35,000 animals. Now, it's our job here at Sea Lions Live to show you just how amazing animals like Jay really are. About some showing off. Now jump and go. Ladies and gentlemen, cheer him on. He's going to take this coconut all the way up and over the bamboo bar. He has done it! Ladies and gentlemen, Seymour.
Ain't he probably like a young little 22-year-old little spoiled little brat? Yeah, he young too. Look how young he is. Dang, that's like something. So that's pretty much it for today, man. I'm kind of tired. We did SeaWorld today, so I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow. I think we're going to LA, but after tomorrow we'll be heading back to New York, upstate New York, for those who don't know. But I just want to say I appreciate everybody for watching those videos. I appreciate the support, man. It's been a fun vacation, but unfortunately we gotta go home in one more day, so we're going to LA for the last day of our trip. Then we'll be back home. Just a quick update on SeaWorld. SeaWorld was nice. It was definitely worth the money. I want to say if you go on their website, instead of going and buying the tickets at the gate, it was $54 instead of $92. So we saved $40 a ticket, which was good. It was definitely worth it. We watched 4 shows. I think it was the killer whale was one of them. The sea lions. We did the turtles, and I think dolphins, and then we seen like a crazy like aquarium show that they used. They used like they had like a bunch of dancers, and they had one with a, what's that? I can't remember what that little thing called, but it's like a glider for the water and stuff, so that was pretty cool. Again, I appreciate all y'all for watching these videos, man, and that's it for this vlog, y'all. I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a good night, man.